आणि आयल्या कित्याक तुमी तुमच्या भुरग्यां खातीर तुमच्या भुरग्यां खातीर तुमी हांगा आसा कित्याक तुमकां खबर आसा ह्या म्हयन्याक जेन्ना स्कुलान तुमची भुरगीं वयतली तांकां कितले सुमार त्रास जातले हे तुमकां खबर आसा आनी त्या खातीर तुमी तुमच्या भुरग्यां खातीर हांगा येयल्ले आसा. पूण वायट दिसता की गव्हर्मेंटाक हें कळना. गव्हर्मेंटाक दिसता की आपूण करता तोच कायदो तेच सारकें त्याच्या शिवाय आनी दुसरें आनी कांयच ना. तांकां दिसता की ते चिंतता म्हण तुमच्या भुरग्यांचें बरेपण आनी त्या खातीर तेमी आतां डिसिजन घेतला की 7 तारखेर 7 एप्रील स्कूल स्टार्ट करपाचें म्हण. सांगपा म्हळ्यार हें एकदम वायट दिसता आमकां. गव्हर्मेंटान इतलेशेपण हें करपाक इतली हेस्ट करपाची गरज ना. आमच्या ह्या स्पिकरान उलयला आमच्या भुरग्यान उलयला पयलीं सद्या आमी उलोवप डिफरंट पूण जे भुरगीं हांगा येवन आपले हें सांगतात डिफिकल्टी सांगतात ते पयलीं सद्या गव्हर्मेंटान कन्सिडर करपाक जाय.
Transform your home with Urban Concept Interiors. Visit us for a wide range of stylish and customizable furniture. We offer office chairs, modular kitchens, garden furniture, curtains, carpets, mats, sofas, dining sets, beds, and much more. Both indoor and outdoor furniture available. Our address is St. Joaquin Road, Borda, Margav, Goa, or call us at 9958733688 or 9845513777.
पण एक मागता गव्हर्मेंटा मातशें हेस्ट करनाकात आनी हे जे स्कूल 7 एप्रील तुमी स्टार्ट करपा आसा ते मातशें देवा खातीर करनाका. एटलिस्ट भुरग्यांची चिंतून तुमची भुरगीं गडे ल्हान आसा व्हडले आसा ते आमकां खबर ना. आय मीन टू से गव्हर्मेंटाची जे कोण डिसिजन मेकर्स आसा तांची. पूण जी पेरंट्स आपल्या भुरग्यां खातीर हें जे इतली लढाई चल्ली आसा 4000 कितें पेटिशन दिल्या 4000 रायट 4000 पेटिशन्स दिल्यात ताकाय बी व्हॅल्यू ना. आनी कितें सुमार करपाचें पेरंट्सांनी. मागता गव्हर्मेंट आतां एड्युकेशन मिनिस्टर आनी आमचे चीफ मिनिस्टर आतां इल्लीशी पण एक कॉन्शियस दवर आनी पेरंट्सांचे आनी भुरग्यांचे मागणी आय सामकी काळजांतल्यान जी मागणी आसा की स्कूल्स 7 एप्रील चालू करचे न्ही पण नॉर्मल जे आसा तें करून कित्याक तुमचे कडेन सेटअपूय सारकें ना. सांगपा फाल्यां सपोज तुमी 11:30 म्हणटा बरें पूण पेरंट्सांकूय कितलें हें जाता सकाळीं 8 पावय परतून 11:30 यो. इट इज अपार्ट फ्रॉम द चिल्ड्रन इवन फ्रॉम पेरंट
happens. NEP has been twisted round by the government and all the people implementing it. The NEP was introduced with a promise of a skill-based holistic education system. However, its implementation in Goa has nothing been short of chaotic. The government acknowledges the schools and students need time to adapt to it. So why are we rushing into this? Why are we rushing into this with more changes? Are we placing the burden of an ill-prepared system on the shoulders of our children? What feedback have you taken from what is already introduced? What feedback have you taken? Nothing. We were told that the academic year was being shifted to April in line with NEP. Okay, when we challenged them to show us which law or which clause mandates, then no justification was given to us. Then we were told equivalence of boards, CBSE, Goa, all that. But nowhere in the document does it state that an April start has to happen. Now the excuse has changed again. One excuse keeps going on. Now it says balancing of terms. The first term and the second term. Have any of you all seen the gazette that came out yesterday? I actually sat down and calculated the number of years, number of days in 2 terms. In the first term, it's going to 124 days. And the second term is going to 107. Where is the balancing? I think so they have lost their maths. They have forgotten their maths. If you say you are balancing the term and what you have come out with is not balancing, where is the justification? The government claims 1,200 notional learning hours. Notional learning hours is the total time that children spend in class and all that. But it's a blatant misinterpretation of the NEP, the NCFEF, the NCFSE, and the NCRF. 1,200 notional learning hours include examinations, assemblies, extracurricular activities, not just classroom instruction. 245 of these hours are specifically designed for self-study, and independent assignments. The actual instructional hours, what we have been lied to, the actual instructional hours is 955, not 1,200 as they have projected to us. Just making a fool of us at every step. By disregarding the framework that is set for 955 hours, you are making a fool of the own system that you are trying to introduce. If board exams were preponed last year, they came out with a circular. The Goa board chairman said that we are having exam. SSC exams used to be held in April every year. Suddenly this year they shifted it to March. 12th standards, which also in April was shifted to February. What are the excuse given? Go when you go back home, go to any app of any news channel and check. The media will have have played this all over. They said it's because of the heat. So the 10th standard kids, you don't want to have the exams in April because of the heat, and you don't mind sending the small children to school at the same time? This is not a democracy. This is a dictatorship, what you are trying to do. Education policies should be introduced with consultation with all the stakeholders. And because it is for the best interest of students, education is not a joke where you can just do, copy and paste, or just try one system. If it does not work, jump to another. You're playing with children's lives. You don't realize that. Parents were not consulted. Teachers were consulted, not entirely. Teachers were consulted, but what was consulted was not taken into account. Concerns of
Yeah, see, this was, as we know, a protest by the parents whose children are getting affected by the policy that the government has come. That the schools will continue during summer. Now, we are being told that they will curtail it somewhere by end of April. In May it won't continue. So हांव हांगा तांकां तेंको दिवपाक आयला आवय बापायक. आनी प्लस एक भितरसान एक आवाज आयलो, कित्याक आमी ह्याच बोर्डान सान शिकून वाडल्या. आनी उलयतना हांवें तांकां सांगलां एक उगडास येता म्हूण आमच्या भुरग्यापणाचो. जेन्ना आमी विलेजीन वाडल्या, जल्मल्या, आमी जेन्ना हॉलिडेज पडटाले एप्रील मे, तेन्ना आमी दोंगरार वेताले, धाटीन म्हणटा पळय थंय, आनी आमी क्रिकेट खेळटाले सकाळचे टील लंच टायम. परते येवप, जॉब, मागीर फुटबॉल. सो दीस इज हाव आवर बोन्स ऑल्सो वर व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंग. आनी दीस इज वॉट नेचर टॉट अस. दोंगरार मागीर वचप आमी, आमेशीन म्हणटा थंय, काजू, आंबे, पणस खावप, चुन्ना, कांठा, हे खावन आमी वाडल्या. दिस इज वॉट वी केम टू नो वॉट नेचर ऑफर्स टू यू. बट टुडेज चिल्ड्रन, I feel very sad. The school timings, the syllabus, it's not giving them enough time to even know, forget enjoying, but even know what nature offers to them. आमची फॉरेस्ट पळय हा, ज्या जंगलांनी आमी वाडल्या ती कातरूनच उडयल्या सरकारान. दोंगरार आमी वेताले खेळपाक प्लेटोचेर, ते कातरून उडयले. आतां जेन्ना आमी म्हणटा एप्रील मायाक आमच्या टायमार आमी सदां खेळपाक वेताले, ते कित्याक तेन्ना हॉलिडे दिताले? कित्याक आमचे वडील पळय आहले इन द एड्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंट, तांकां चिंता आहली, एक हुस्को आहलो. ही ल्हान भुरगीं इस्कॉलाक वेता, दे शूड नॉट बी एक्सपोज टू द एक्स्ट्रीम हीट, समर हीट. सो एप्रील मायाक आतांच न्ही, पुर्तुगेजाचे पयलीं आनी लिबरेशना उपरांत ती पॉलिसी आहली एप्रील मायाक आमकां हॉलिडे दिवपाक. आनी सेम वे इन दिल्ली आनी नॉर्थ इंडिया the extreme heat is during June, July. त्या पासून जून जुलयान तांकां हॉलिडे मेळटाली. फायन, एब्सोल्युटली फायन. आतां यू आर सडनली टेलिंग अस दॅट एप्रील मेक आमची इस्कॉलां आसतली म्हणून. सो यू आर विदाउट एप्लायींग युअर मायंड. मातशें चिंतपाक जाय. वाय हॉलिडेज वर देर इन जून जुलय इन दिल्ली? बिकॉज दोज चिल्ड्रन दे वॉन्ट टू प्रोटेक्ट देम फ्रॉम द एक्स्ट्रीम हीट. तुमी आमच्या भुरग्यांक in directly without applying your mind ती policy हांगा लायतात तुम्ही. You know, our children will get affected. They can suffer from dehydration. Extreme heat conditions are there. So this is the problem with this government. Delhi कोण decide करता, which is being decided in Nagpur. हांव जाणा तुम्ही नागपूर कोण डिसाइड करता पळय ती पॉलिसी मागीर दिल्ली सान अख्ख्या इंडियाक लावंक सोदता. I have been in parliament last few weeks. We have been fighting. We have extended our support to DMK because they are also fighting. Look at that government fighting against the type of decisions the government of India, central government is trying to impose. Same way, आमच्या सरकारान they have to keep the interest of our people in mind that we will not allow you to apply your decisions on Goa. आम्ही कितें म्हणटा एक म्हणणी आहा कोंकणीन शिकून ब्रूत म्हणटा पळय ते. जस्ट लिटररी एड्युकेशन इज नॉट इनफ. इस्कॉलान शिकयता तेंच न्ही, आमकां जे आवय बापूय घरान शिकयता. आमचे जेन्ना आमी खेळपाक वता दोंगरा जंगलात थंय आमकां शिकपाक मेवता. आयज हांगा आयले आयज ही भुरगीं हांगा प्रोटेस्टाक आयल्यान लोया मैदानार तांकांय
what you call dictatorship that is there. What they are adamant and what has come from the center is what they want to do, and they are not. They know that our schools in Goa, that is many government schools as well as government aided schools, they do not have the infrastructure in place to have the schools in summer, because summer is the most hottest month, that is April and May is the hottest months in Goa. Whether in center, in Delhi, the hottest months are mid-May to June, they have holidays. So if they have holidays during that time, why is CM Pramod Sawant insisting for the children? And that too, they're talking about 6th standard students coming to school. That is 11 years old. How small their bodies are. How small their heart is. If they get a heat stroke, will Dr. Pramod Sawant take this responsibility and step down? Because I am warning Dr. Pramod Sawant, as much he has a doctor in front of his name, he's such a heartless person because he doesn't think the children's future, especially the little ones, are going to be called during the summertime. And if anything happens, we are going to take him to task and we will make sure that he gets down from his throne that he's sitting on with that attitude and arrogance and the ego that he's having. And we are not going to stop there. Today I thank all the respective the MP Captain Viriato who came in, the MLAs, that is Benzi Vegas, Cruz Silva, as well as Vijay Sardesai. There were some more. We also invited Yuri Alamau, but he's outstation, as well as Advocate Carlos had a very busy tight schedule, and they sincerely gave their support to us, because if we have like-minded people, elected people on board, then we know that our fight is strong. And Captain Viriato has said that he will take this matter up. We've given him a memorandum for the same to raise this concern up even on the higher level when he's going to go ahead. So I think so the fight's not going to stop, and I think so on Tuesday, as the High Court judge has mentioned, that if we are unhappy with the notification, then we can challenge it, and we are as parents going to challenge that, and we are not going to fight. As much as the government is adamant on doing things, we as parents will give it our last fight till the end, and we are not going to stop.
You all submitted more than 4,000 petitions.
More than that,
Yeah.
if you count all the school principals, the Headmasters Association has given in their objection. Plus the Teachers Association have given their objection. Plus PTA. You think that's only 4,000? That's quite a lot of number. Plus around 13,000. I mean almost around 16,000 signature campaigns we've done. We didn't get enough of time. Do you think it's easy to get signatures when parents do not come to school? Because many of the children come by public buses, but the parents have messages saying that we are with you, we are standing by you. They have signed online petitions, they have sent email, so the parents who could come on ground have done the needful over here.
If you don't get a favorable verdict from the court, what would be your next step when the school reopens?
I think so. First is that we're going to re-put our writ petition on the 7th, and from there on we are not on the 7th, on coming Tuesday, because now till Monday we have holidays because of Eid. On Tuesday we are going to go forward and file the writ petition, and we will see what the court ask the Advocate General into what have they done, how have they read the objections, are they calling for a meeting? We are hoping that he calls for a parents, teachers, principals meeting together and have a head-on discussion, because if we don't have a head-on discussion, we will not able to plan the future of our children. So we are looking forward, and as Captain Venzi has made announcement also saying that we as parents, if the school starts off, Let the children go to school, but let we as parents hold placards out saying that no schools in April. Our fight will continue. It's not an easy thing. I'm so happy to see a good number of parents have come. I know it's holiday time for the children. Many of them have already planned their vacation, and this public meeting permission also we got last minute. They made a
Subscribe and follow our YouTube and Facebook channel for more videos.